In the future, everyone will see and experience hydrogen because it will be available almost everywhere. Everyone will notice that mobility has hardly changed. Other than becoming more emissions-free, that's the great value that hydrogen adds.
The Siemens components were there from the very start. They worked, there was nothing to tweak, and that's why they're still there today and will also be there tomorrow.
We manufacture hydrogen filling stations. Their centerpiece is the hydrogen compressor, which we assemble here in Nordhausen. So the hydrogen filling station is ultimately one of our products. The hydrogen compressor is our second product, and our third product is systems for bottling gases.
Our typical customers are the filling station operators that we're all familiar with. But we also serve municipal utilities who, for example, want to have systems for refueling their buses or garbage trucks. And we have a lot of customers in the private commercial vehicle sector. Modular thinking, modularity in combination with construction in potentially explosive areas is a tremendous challenge. In this case, we're best served by components from Siemens, among other things.
It's really exciting to work with Maximator Hydrogen because there are all sorts of challenges, like functional safety, a shortage of installation space, and the need for lots of functionality, in spite of everything.
Siemens products help us to meet these safety requirements because we can access all kinds of fail-safe signals.
Everything's installed here: small coupling relays, circuit breaker contactor combinations, motor starters inside the ET200SP, 3VA molded case circuit breakers, and also our large 3RW55 fail-safe soft starters.
We see the benefits of this soft starter. The fact that it requires very little installation space, sufficiently reduces the starting current, and delivers a very high performance.
At some points, it's vital for us because only Siemens can supply the technology we need. Especially when the criticality of infrastructure is on the line, it's tremendously helpful for us to be able to say that we have Siemens on board.
The collaboration is excellent because, among other things, the documentation behind the components is extremely high quality. That's extremely important to us because third parties such as TÜV here in Germany or Intertek in the US require this documented proof.
Naturally, we require that our partners and suppliers be actively engaged with sustainability issues, that we share the same values in this area in terms of the direction we have to take and what's important for society. This then helps us to maintain a long-term, trust-based partnership.
I'm especially happy to be working here because it's our contribution to climate neutrality, which means a better future.